Cheryl's a really nice person, like she's affected my life. Like if I didn't have this, I would just be stuck at home, I think, and not doing anything. Yeah, I would say Cheryl's built up my confidence to talk to people and go out and about.
She's really nice and supportive, and like you can talk to her about anything. She's really approachable, so like if I had a problem, she'd be the first person I'd go to.
Mae Cheryl sydd yn person sydd yn gallu helpu pobl pryd mae angen help, a mae Cheryl yn deall pobl pryd mae nhw'n ei isaf a'n gallu helpu nhw codi nhw lan pryd mae nhw angen gael codi lan.
Hopefully I make young people believe in themselves. A lot of young people are referred to us for one-to-one support, so they tend to be feeling at their lowest. So yeah, I hopefully support people for them to believe that they can achieve whatever they want, really. And, you know, sometimes they just need the right support at the right time to make it happen.